Welcome back to Beat the House. In this second lesson, we'll talk about something that separates winners from losers, the value bet. If you don't understand this concept, you'll always be at a disadvantage. Let's break it down. What is a value bet? A value bet happens when the odds offered by the bookmaker are better than they should be. That means the risk you're taking is worth the potential reward. In other words, you're not just betting, you're investing with an edge, and that edge is where the profit lies. The formula: true probability times odds minus 1. If the result is greater than 0, it's a value bet. Let's see an example. You believe a team has a 50% chance to win. That means fair odds would be 2.0, but the bookmaker gives you 2.20. Let's do the math. 0.50 times 2.20 minus 1 equals 1.10 minus 1 equals 0.10. That's a plus 10% value. This bet has positive expected value. What is expected value? Expected value, or EV, shows how much you can expect to win or lose on average per bet. In this example, a plus 10% EV means you'd earn 10 cents for every euro you bet on average over time. Now listen carefully. 10% EV is huge. Even bets with just 1% or 2% EV can be very profitable in the long run, because if you consistently place hundreds of bets with small positive edges, they add up. That's how pros make money, not by chasing wins, but by compounding small advantages. Warning: emotions lose money. Don't bet based on feelings, intuition, or your favorite team. Those are traps. Only bet when the math says you have a positive EV, because over time, only value survives. Let's recap. A value bet means the odds are better than the true probability. Use the formula: true probability times odds minus 1. EV tells you how much you expect to win long term. Even 1 to 2% EV matters. Bet with logic, not emotion. Now you understand the most important concept in profitable betting: value. In the next lesson, we'll show you how to actually find value bets. If you learned something, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.